Hi, today we're going to talk about how to import a backup from USB to the console. It is recommended to regularly backup console data to USB, including prior to upgrading software or firmware. On the main run screen, select the Inventory Manager icon. Plug in the USB containing the data backup that you wish to restore from. Select the From USB to Console icon. A copy from USB window is presented. We are going to select all inventory items. Inventory items are all the items you can see listed under the inventory category like shown here. This includes vehicle and implement profiles. It also includes all client, farm, field and job data such as guidelines and boundaries. If VRC prescription maps are present in the backup on the USB, these will also be copied to the console. A warning is presented stating that this action will restore the entire inventory from USB and the system may need to restart. If an item with the same name already exists on the console, do you want to skip or overwrite? Because we are doing a backup, you should select overwrite. If you are only wanting to copy new files from the USB, then you could select skip so that existing files on the console with the same name would not be overwritten. Select overwrite and wait until the restore is complete and the progress bar shows 100%. Touch the green tick to close the Restore Inventory Items window. The console will automatically restart. It is important to safely eject the USB from the console before unplugging. Swipe up from the bottom of the console to access the console toolbar. Touch the Eject USB icon. A message to say the USB is now safe to remove will be presented. Touch the green tick to close the message and eject your USB. Touch the Inventory Manager icon to close the Inventory Manager and return to the run screen. To create a backup, refer to the video How to Backup the Console Data to USB. And that is how to import a backup from USB to the console. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.